In this video, we're going to be taking a look at these earbuds from BUGANI. Not only are these perfect for listening to your favorite music, but they also boast a cutting-edge language translating function. We're going to be getting these open, take a look at the design, and go over some features. So let's go. These Bluetooth air conduction wireless earbuds have an open ear design. They've got passive noise cancellation, plus a long-lasting battery life so you can enjoy up to 10 hours of playback on a single charge. Charger case can provide 6 full charges, meaning you do have a total of 32 hours of portable charging available at your fingertips. And the most impressive feature is its two-way translation in 40 different languages and 93 accents. So what's cool about that is that it uses a pattern AI-powered natural interpretation technology to deliver seamless sentence by sentence translation in real time. So in saying that, I'm super excited to test these out. So to get started, they do have a little instruction manual on how to connect and download the app that you're going to need. So first we do download the Ear Dance app using this QR code. Okay, so we do have a bunch of features inside the app. You have AI dialogue mode, you have free talk, you have translation machine mode, you have headphones and phone mode, and you do have dual ear click mode. So we're gonna have a quick look at the AI dialogue mode. So I do know in the top right, you can change the language to 9 languages, including Chinese, Japanese, English, French, Spanish, German, Russian, Italian, and Portuguese. So I can speak and say, "Hey, I hope you're doing great today. I was just wondering, have you heard about the Grand Canyon?" And then within seconds, it is ran back to me. "Yes, I've heard about the Grand Canyon. It's a stunning natural wonder located in northern Arizona." And now it just continues to tell me all about it. And fantastic, I can actually click the button on the bottom and it's actually talking to me in English in my ear. But what's great is this free talk mode. So I can start a conversation with someone else and it's gonna pick up and translate live. I don't know any languages outside of English, but I do know a little bit of Spanish that I'm gonna speak into this and see if it will pick it up. So first I'm gonna change it from Chinese to Spanish. That way it's gonna translate it into English, and then I click to speak. "Hola, ¿cómo estás?" Instantly said, "Hi, how are you?" "No hablo español, lo siento." And again, it instantly just picked it up. I think what's great is it probably took about 2 seconds, and really all the time is taking is actually just processing what you're saying. So it's not really processing the translation, it instantly does that. It's just actually making sure it's picking up what you're saying and building out that sentence structure correctly to translate correctly. So next up we have translation machine mode. I'm gonna set the same thing, Spanish and English, and you can pretty much select if you want to speak in Spanish or English. In English, I'm just gonna speak like this and see what happens.
En inglés. Simplemente hablaré así y veré qué pasa.
Then you do have earbuds and phone option. So it means that one person can be using the phone when they're speaking and the other person can talk through the earbuds, and we'll translate that quickly again. And then we have dual earbuds. So I could take this earbud off, give it to someone else, and then we could have a conversation in person where it's gonna be translated instantly. This is incredible. I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually kind of mind blown. The fact that it can translate so precisely and so clearly. So if you are interested in the BUGANI Free B10, these earbuds are incredible. But if you are interested, we are going to leave a link in the description below. Feel free to share this with a friend who you think may enjoy this. Again, incredible technology. Leave a comment below what you thought was the best feature on this. Like, and of course, hit that subscribe button for more great reviews like this.